everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Cayce here on Bale Friends. My name is Cayce from Ormsby Farm, the Halfway Homestead. So today's little segment is going to be a little bit different from what I normally do because I'm normally talking about how to achieve that $2 dinner and bring down your grocery bill. But I wanted to talk more about preparedness and food on today's little segment. With severe weather months coming up, and also the uncertainty of everything that's going on in the world, I just wanted to make sure you had a little bit of knowledge on preparedness of food. Now, I always suggest that you take some notes anytime you're jumping in, hey, Bale and Friends, because there's so much information to absorb. And one way that you can do it is head over to our Etsy store and download our Hey Bale Prepper Guide. It is a 97-page, 99-cent download, and it has wonderful things. I'm talking like tons and tons of plans and recipes, empty recipes, and note-taking. And what I'm talking today is freezer. So you've done all of this hard work. You've either got it from the store, you got it from a friend, or you've raised the meat yourselves and you put it in your freezer, power goes out. Whether we're talking storm, we're talking grid down, whatever we're talking, how long do you have before that meat goes bad? Now, I had a situation before. We're not going to go there. That's a different video, different time. But you have 48 hours before those food is going to defrost and go bad. So within the first part of the second day, you want to start thinking about what you're going to do. And I would recommend pressure canning either by a propane stove or on an open fire. Remember in your head, 75 minutes for a pint, 90 minutes for a quart. That's going to be the standard for meats and for low acid veggies. Now, if you're doing broth and all the different kind of stuff, there are tons of videos that you can go and check out to get those timings. But 75-minute pints, 90-minute quarts. Pull them out, defrost them, throw them in a canning jar and can it just so you have a ease of mind to know that all of your hard work didn't go to waste. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's head back to Hey Bale and Friends. Make sure to head over to the Etsy store and get our Hey Bale Prepper Guide. It's 99 cents. You won't regret it. Bye, y'all.